Okay, I'm giving our praise and glory to Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushai, by Hashem Rakakadash, the bonus to the elders of GMS, salutations, shout out Akim out there that's business truth, and also shalom to the rest of the hopeful elect. And quick lesson, I think I'm going to name this a diligent search of wickedness, all right? Which, what Esau wants to do, the so-called white man wants to do, he wants to make everything backwards, all right? Turn everything upside down, you know? He wants uh, everyone to be uh, anti-Yahweh Shai, you know? In fact, let's try that scripture real quick. Let's go to that scripture. All right. Which I didn't want to open up with that one. But the scriptures say, try the spirit by the spirit and see if it's of the Most High. All right. Which, if you claim to be, you know, if you claim to be a man of the Lord, if you claim to be a Christian, all right, you should be questioning some of these things. What's going on? All right, you should be questioning, the different agendas. All right, what's being pushed out there? You know, like I said, let's read this real quick. Let the scripture do the talk. It says, "Beloved, believe not every spirit, but try the spirits, and whether they are of Yahweh, because many false prophets are gone into the world." No, I want to read it in the new translation too. Living because Elder Yachawama got me on that. You know those other translations. You know they be on point sometimes. It says, "Dear friends, do not believe everyone who claims to speak by the Spirit." Right? Because look, so-called white man claims to be godly. All right, claims that he loves the Most High. All right. Well, look, it's a thing of action. Okay, it says you must test them to see if the spirit they have comes from God. You see, and what does the scripture says? Think it's the book of it's the book of Habakkuk, right? It says the spirit that is in him is not upright, man. All right, now the article that I'm about to dive into, you're about to see that, you know. It says, "For there are many false prophets in the world." All right, now back to regular King James Version. Hereby, verse 2, hereby know that ye, the spirit of Yahweh, and every spirit that confesseth that Yahweh Shai Mashiach is come in the flesh, is of Yahweh. And every spirit that confesseth not that Yahweh Shai Mashiach is come in the flesh, Shalakia. And every spirit that confesseth not that Yahweh Shai is come in Shalakia, is come in the flesh, is not of Yahweh. This is the spirit of the Antichrist, whereof ye have heard that it should come, and even now already is in the world. All right, and it's already here. All right, is been here. All right, but look, the so-called white man, he might say he's a God-fearing man, but look, that's why the scripture said, "What? Try it, right? Try the spirit, all right." Because he says he he believes in the Bible, you know, that he's godly. But look, through his actions, all right, it's showing opposite, you know. Now let's go to that article. It says scientists just created mice with two fathers after making eggs from male cells. Would suggest what the next step would be. You see, just like I was saying, he wants everybody to sin. All right, he wants everybody to go against the Most High. All right, all right. He wants to make you an enemy. All right. It says scientists have created a mice with two biological fathers by generating eggs from male cells, a development that opens up radically new possibilities for reproduction. And we all know what baby's supposed to come through what sex, man. All right, you're not supposed to take eggs or save your eggs, all right, and put sperm in them. You know, you're supposed to have sex. That's why the scripture says what, showing himself that he is God. All right, it says a development that opens up radically new possibilities for reproduction, according to the Guardian. The advance the advance could ultimately pave the way for the treatments for severe forms of infertility, as well as raise the tender, tantalizing prospect of the same-sex couples being able to have a biological child together. And if you see, because that's what Esau do, he tested on monkeys, he tested on rats, but then he tries to try it with what, human beings, man. Damn, I was just looking at something the other day, man. Damn, it was an article that came out that basically, same thing. They were trying to get men pregnant, But anyways, man, this is the first case of making a robust mammal and octos from male cells, said Kashiko Hayashi, who led the work in the Kyushu University in Japan and is internationally renowned as a pioneer in the lab, in the field of lab grown eggs and sperm. And it's always Esau in Moab, all right? Hey, because it's written, right? It says, "Is there no more wisdom in Teman?" So Esau is using these goddamn Moabites, to bring forth their wickedness, all right? To bring forth their damn agenda, you know. That's all I'm gonna read from there. I'm gonna grab a couple more scriptures, man. All right, but this is Psalms 64:6. It says, "They search out iniquities; they accomplish a diligent search." All right, and that's what they do. They search out diligently. But what it's all wickedness. All right, and it's always something. All right, that it's not going to be beneficial. It's going to be against the Most High. All right. That's why, hey, I read that scripture. Try the spirit by the spirits and see if they are of the Most High. All right. It says, "But the inward thought of every one of them, and the heart is deep," because that is deep, deep, man. To actually uh go go splice a gene, or take two male rats or two sperms and actually create it without a female's womb. Now, whoever thought these devils would actually go would actually go that damn far? Okay, now let's go to Psalms. Oh, we in Psalms already, so like, yeah. Let's go to the 10th chapter. It might be the 12th, right? Here we go right here. It says, "The wicked through the pride of this," Psalms 10:4. "The wicked through the pride of his countenance would not seek after Yahweh," which means what? He won't follow his ways, all right, which is what? His law, statutes, and commandments. He won't try to live righteous, you know. That's why it's written in the land of uprightness, all right, they should not what? Learn righteousness, you see? So seeing this world was given to Esau, Job 9:24, you know, he's actually given a chance to try to do righteous, man. You know, even the Lord told Cain, he said, "What, sin lieth at the door, man." All right. So Cain, look, he had the chance to actually do right, but guess what? He transgressed. Right? He ended up what? Killing Abel. You know? It says the wicked through the pride of his countenance would not seek after Yahweh. Yahweh is not in all his thoughts. So he ain't thinking about the most high at all, man. All right, it's all about his agenda, man. It's all about pushing forth his satanic agenda, man. All right, which is not going to be profitable. All right, or 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 beneficial to the world, man. All right, he's just going to continually destroy things. All right. Hey, so with that, give all praise and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders of GMS. Salutations. Shout out to Akim out there that's preaching this truth. And also shalom to the rest of the hopeful elect. Peace.